Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we want to cook a very delicious meal. I have my meat there cooking. Now I'm adding the seasoning. We have the onions, ginger, garlic, turmeric, rosemary, and basilicum there, and fresh ginger, fresh garlic. So we mix it all together and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Yeah, so I have my pepper here, which is the onions, ginger, garlic, fresh garlic, tomatoes, red bell pepper, and scotch bonnet over there. I'm sauteing it in oil. So now the meat is done. We fry it well. We want to do the buka style, so that is why we have to fry the meat very well, that Nigerian buka style. So we fry the meat well. Then I've blended my pepper. Here I'm coming in with palm oil. Yeah, your palm oil is really good in that buka style. So I've had my pepper blended here. We pour it in when the oil is hot. So we allow it to cook. Here I'm adding more water to cook. Then we cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. So here I'm adding my fish stock, thyme, ginger, salt, turmeric as well. And now I'm coming in with my meat, with the fried meat and tinoero. So here I'm adding palm oil again, the one that is hot, buka style. So yeah, our food is ready, our stew is ready, that Nigerian buka style. Thank you for watching.